Yesterday we have created staging advanced DSO. It will create only one table, that is inbound table, and the three views will create. Extraction view, reporting view, and SQL view will generate. So these three views are common for all ADSOs. It will create three views common for all ADSOs. Okay, staging advanced DSO will have only one inbound table. Mainly we will use staging advanced DSOs to store the raw data. Whatever we have data in the source system level, that is raw data, that is storing into the staging advanced DSO level. Okay, how to create, we saw it yesterday. We'll see different options while you are creating staging advanced DSO as well. So yesterday we saw like no, it is created only one inbound table, right? So in other options also we'll see it. So yesterday I have taken different data source. Now I'm taking different data source. Just remember these data sources, very important. While we are explaining ECC, you will come to know. So by default, it is selected staging advanced DSOC here. Yesterday, by default, it is selecting inbound queue only. So at that time, it will have only, see, when you are selecting this option, we cannot create any report on top of this. Note this point, okay? Technical queue only, reporting disabled. When you are selecting this option, we cannot create any report on top of this. When you select this option, see here. When you select this option, active table also will create, okay? Now you can see it, okay? So let me create it, okay? See here. Yesterday we don't see, right? Manage case. It is in visible mode. So you need to observe it, okay? When you select inbound queue only, if you go to details, there is no manage case. When you select reporting only, then it is enabled, right? Manage keys. Once keys are maintained means, okay, it will go and overwrite the data, right? So it will store into the active table. So in this scenario, different tables will create, not only one inbound table. Let me check, okay? So I'm keeping these two as a key and activate it. So I'm activating. You know, right, how to activate. So it's very simple way we are creating ADSO. And I'm going to like no just right click, explore data flow. Here drag and drop data source. So you are clear, right? Whatever we are discussing. Add object. This is my data source. This is sales order item. Okay. Sales order item. I am selecting S4HANA, not ECC. Okay. Just connect it. Okay. Once you double click on this American symbol, it will create the transformation. So order quantity is available or not, I just checking it. Because I required only KPI. Okay, majorly I am looking for only KPI, key figure. Otherwise I can't um, okay. I cannot manage, I cannot identify the how many sales orders happened for today, how much quantity is delivered to the customers. That I cannot track it right in this. So, now you clear, right? This is in green color means that is activated. Double click this one. Okay, now our data flow is simply created. Okay, our data flow has been completed. And if you want, you can create complete folder as well. Okay, just create one dummy complete folder. Yeah, we'll create it. So when we click on this one, so we having only ADSO and I'm doing union. Okay, so it is asking name. Okay, I'm giving same name JAS DSO underscore. Okay, and giving it. If you have multiple, then you can go for giants also. Even you can do multiple also with, see here with different options came. Different of external SAP HANA view. This composite provider can be added to another composite provider. So this is very important in the interview. They will ask you these 2 points. These 2 points. Okay. Later we'll discuss after completing this areas. One by one we'll do. Okay. And now we need to map it to bro. So just to right click and create assignments. So automatically it will create. No need to do it manually. Okay, composite provider also created. Now you can see your data flow. Uh, all objects are created. See here, automatic like that. This is the flow in the real time would be there. Okay. And finally, we need to activate our this thing as well. Data flow as well we need to create. So I'm activating it. So our flow also activated. Okay. Our flow also created. Okay. Fine. Yeah, now it is activated. Now you can see. And how many tables are created? Do you know for this? Staging advanced DSO. What type of ADSO we created? Yesterday we saw, right? How many tables created? Yesterday we selected inbound queue only. Only one table created. Today, how many tables created? For just understanding only. So we'll make it Excel, okay? It will easy for you. Staging advanced DSO. Okay. When you select inbound queue only, inbound when you select inbound queue only, then it will create only one table. So that is inbound inbound table. Inbound table. Okay. Inbound table. Clear? Huh? Okay. Staging advanced DSO. Okay. When you select reporting enable option checkbox, then it will create inbound table and active table. We'll see here. Okay, how many tables are created? I didn't see. Okay, we'll see now. I'm logging into BW4 HANA. RSMNG, right? So every day we are discussing about this T code. Okay, so what is our DSO name? So just copy your ADSO name and go and check it. If we not clear, okay, this is the one way. Okay, you identify the how many tables are created. This is one way. Just go inside. When you create ADSO, you will identify the how many tables are created. So here now you can see display new data, display active data. That means two tables are created. This is inbound table, this is active table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here you will get it like no. If you go below, if you go below, there is a options like no. In the properties, go to DDIC. So how many tables are created, bro? Inbound table, active table, reporting view, extraction view, SQL view name. So inbound table name is last one. Active table name is last two. Reporting view 7. Extraction view 6. External view 8. Clear? If you want, you can take a screenshot as well. This is for reporting enabled. You can see here reporting enabled. Loosen. Why it is coming this option? Okay. See here this option. Let me select second option. I'm activating it and go to details and do we have any manage keys? Yeah, still it is there. Let me activate. Okay, see here, when you select compression, how many tables will create? Go to DDIC properties. How many tables created? Still same. Inbound table, active table, reporting view, extraction view, external SQL view. Still same will create, okay? Clear this option? Okay, clear, right? So these options will create. Mainly we will use staging advanced DSO, we will store raw data. Whatever we have data in the source system level, that we will store into the in BW4HANA. So we are creating staging advanced DSO on the staging layer. This is the initial layer, very initial layer in the BW4HANA. We have a initial layer, this is the one. Whereas the older version, we have a PSA. Okay, staging advanced DSO will behave like PSA and staging advanced DSO will behave like write optimized DSO. Clear? Okay. If you clear, I am moving. Okay. And also you can load the data as well. Let's try. Okay. You can select this option and you can enable the report as well. So when you create second option, you cannot create report, I guess. Okay, we'll see now. This is reporting enable. By using this option, you cannot create report. Okay, activated. Let me load data into here. Where is the DTP? Yes. Okay. Seems to be loaded the data and go back and I just execute it. No, still some issue. Same like yesterday. Okay, let me log in S4 HANA. Yesterday also having same issue. When you have issue, you need to go log in source system and check in RSA3 level whether it is working or not. Okay, I'm unable to log in this one. User is logged. I'm unable to log in the system itself. Okay, it's not allowing me. Might be you can do it from BW on HANA. Okay, in the BW on HANA, you can do it. Let me create here as well. If you want, you can load it. But same options, it will not show you in the BW on HANA. That is different version. So here we don't have that options and all. So the staging layer will behave like you can see here. Data mart, delta calculation, reporting enable. Okay, like this we have options. You can select this option and click on this. What we discussed, staging DSO will behave like right after DSO. Okay, so when you click on this, no tick mark will tick like here. When you select standard DSO, now the options will change. See here, option change. When you select right after DSO, nothing will be. Yeah, this is how will. Okay, and I don't have any manage keys. That option is not available here in the inbound queue. Okay, active table will generate. That option is not available in the advanced DSO. It is there. Okay, in BW4 HANA we have that options under. Okay, and then I will go BW side, BW on HANA. I will log in BW on HANA. You can see here. I will close the system. Okay, I can go here, BW on HANA. So we have created in the HANA Studio level. It will be reflect here. See, it is created here. So right click and create the transformation. In the transformation, we need to select the data source, our data source name. So our data source name is V8 sales order. Source is S4HANA. Click this one. Now it is mapped it. Now make it full screen and activate it. So once the transformation is successfully activated, you can see in the bottom message. And now here, right click and create the detail. Okay, I am selecting it full and you can activate it. Now I'm going to execute tab. I'm executing. Executing means from this data source to this DSO data is flowing. See, four records came. Four records came. Now I will go here. There is no activation symbol to activate it. So this activation symbol is disable mode. For staging advanced DSO, having only one table, inbound table. When we have active table, change table, then only you can do activation. Otherwise, this option will be in the disable mode. Okay. If you want to see the data, you can go and check it here. Display inbound table. Only for four records you can display here. 200 reports, 200 records will display here. If you want to see complete, then you can go on. Right click and freeze. Yeah, this is the KW main. This is the order quantity. Mainly we will check. Uh, okay, this is the order number. This is the order item. This is the order quantity. How much order quantity given, and where is the customer? This is the company code. This is the company code, and this is the customer. So which customer? How much given sales order? Which customer? This customer given this much. This is the order. This is the item. This is the order quantity. From this company code, they given the order. What is the status of this order? So that's details you can track it over here in the sales or item level. This customer belongs to which place? The details you can see it over here, right side. Still, when the sales order is created, so you can see 28/4/2023 it was created. Who created this one? At what time created? And you can see all details over here. Okay. What is the material given the order customer? So this is the material. What is the material type? Okay, you can see all details over here. Okay. Go slowly, understand all structures. Okay. And in the S4HANA, I don't have authorization to show you this data. Okay. I will send email for this today evening or tomorrow. Okay, to get this lock issue so that for your system you can go log in and you can load the data and you can reconcile it. Whatever you loaded. Exactly for this order data is matching or not. Okay, you can check it. Then if you want to create report on top of this example, if you want to create report on top of this is not possible because we don't have any active table. And just let's try here. Go to analysis. Select data analysis. Skip it and go to connections. And we are doing which system? BW on HANA, right? Double click and enter your password. Search for our ADSO which we have created, staging advanced DSO. Now data it will display in Excel sheet. For your visualization purpose, for your reconciliation purpose. You can easily reconcile with your source system S4HANA. So sometimes you are not comfortable to see the data into over there. So here, where is my webline? It will highlight automatically. I know the field, so that is why I'm, okay, you can see here. These are the sales order item and sales order. And you can go to the matter, which material. Okay, I'm taking this material as well. And uh, and who is customer? Who is the customer? And you can see here customer means sold to party. Remember this point, okay? In the SAP. In SAP, sold to party is customer. Customer, okay? Plant, for which plant it is coming. Mainly this is required, okay? See here, you can see clearly what is the material. So if you want to see the material in the number wise, okay, already it is there. If you want to see key and text, you can see it. Both are same. So it is not having keys. Okay. Text, we don't have any text for this. See here, you can see all this. And if we have any customer settings, you can see only key we have it. This also have. And I don't want to do it all these things. I don't want to show you all these things, measures. I want to keep it only, what is that? KW means order quantity. Where is the order quantity? Here we need to see order quantity. So this I want to see it. Yeah, this is only right. You can see, if you go here and you can check here. Okay, this is where we are checking. Yeah, right click and you can go and check it here. How much it is coming here? 127. In the Excel sheet, sorry, in the Excel sheet, in the analysis office. So in the real time, okay, you tell to the interviewer, I'm working on I'm working on in analysis office as a reporting tool. This is analysis office. Generally, you open in your system Excel, you won't get analysis, okay? This is analysis office reporting purpose. We will use it. So if you want to design any, okay, so okay, in another way, if you want to analyze it, and you can go to analysis design, there is a smart coffee. See here, I'm selecting this and doing it. I'm doing it like no smart coffee, and again I'm pasting it. There is a smart paste. Okay, I'm pasting it here. Okay, see here, I am pasting it, how it is comfortable. So I am going to change, I am going to change few objects. Okay, not only this one, and I will remove this, both I will remove, and then it is changing, not this changing, okay. Clearly observe it. And then I want to understand when it was created, order. Who created? I want to understand. See here, it is changing. It is not reflecting that one. This is how the beauty of analysis office reporting tool will works.